Palm Beach, Florida, USA, April 29, 2023.
This is the scariest thing I've ever been.
Holy cow.
Oh my god, it's like right in front of. Oh my god.
Oh my god.
A massive tornado touched down in Palm Beach Gardens, Florida, as a powerful storm system brought intense rain and powerful winds to the U.S. state, overturning cars, damaging homes, and snapping tree branches.
That's a tornado. Yo, that fucking is a tornado. Holy shit. Holy.
Tornado, 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 tornado.
The National Weather Service in Miami said the tornado hit late on Saturday afternoon with winds of 100 mph near Palm Beach Gardens Medical Center and headed northeast towards the coast.
A lot of structures down. There is no power here.
Holy shit! Holy shit! Oh my god!
Storm damage forced authorities in the coastal city to close major roads as workers cleared debris and inspected wreckage.
In Palm Beach Gardens, look at this.
Images from the scene showed cars flipped over on top of each other, cracked tree limbs resting on vehicles and homes, as well as other debris littering streets.
Oh my god! Oh my god!
Holy shit.
Holy shit! We
What
just
the
went through a
fuck?
fucking tornado! Oh my god!
Oh my god.
I think they should come back.
Tornado went through here. I knew it.
The Palm Beach Gardens Police Department has not reported any major injuries or fatalities. A spokeswoman for the city said officials have deactivated emerging protocols and were working through lingering issues on Sunday. The National Weather Service has placed a large stretch of central Florida under a tornado watch on Saturday afternoon as thunderstorms were cutting across the state.